Kolkata is India's cultural heart and a major center of literature, spirituality, music, and cinema. It is the gateway of Eastern India. Kolkata, Bengali, Kalikata, formerly Calcutta till 12,001, is the capital of West Bengal state, India. It was the former capital 1772 to 1911 of British India. It is one of India's largest cities and one of its major ports. It is a city of commerce, transport, manufacture. Kolkata is the dominant urban center of eastern India. Kolkata is nicknamed a city of joy. It is now set in one of the poorest and most overpopulated regions of India. The great Bengali poet Sri Rabindranath Tagore wrote in his works about it. The city is centered on the east bank of the Hooghly River, once the main canal of the Ganges River. Suburbs of Kolkata include Howrah on the west bank, Bharanagar to the north, south Dum Dum to the northeast, Behala to the south, the Garden Reach in the southwest. The winter months from the end of the November to the end of February are pleasant and rainless to visit Kolkata. Western influence is dominant in many of Kolkata's architectural monuments, though India influences also are apparent. More than four-fifths of the population is Hindu. Muslims, Christians are minorities, but there are some Sikhs, Jains and Buddhists. The dominant language is Bengali, but Urdu, Oriya, Tamil, Punjabi and other languages are also spoken and used. Kolkata is a cosmopolitan city. There are Bangladeshis, Chinese, Europeans, North Americans and Australians. Kolkata is the center of India's large jute processing industry. The condition of the surface roads in the city is poor. The main transit system features numerous trams and buses, then auto rickshaws. It is the second largest city in India after Mumbai. Kolkata is often called the cultural capital of India, with names like Satyajit Ray, Rabindranath Tagore, Mother Teresa, Amartya Sen, and many others. The National Library of India is the largest public library in the world. The tasty food of Kolkata are Mishit Doi, Rasagalla, Ohucha, Charmar, Belpuri, Kachuri, Jalebi. The Bengalis like sweets items very much. The tourist can shopping the terracotta souvenirs, handicrafts, conjugal bangles, Kanda, Balchuri and tan saris, the immortal paintings of Kalighat. This is after all the hometown of national poet Rabindranath Tagore, wrote Guru Ramakrishna, star Master Ravi Shankar, Sitar Master Ravi Shankar and legendary filmmaker Satyajit Ray. Durga Puja, Kali Puja is the famous festival in Bengal and Eastern India every year on September or October. Kolkata reach by plane Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport is locally known as Kolkata Airport and was earlier known as Dum Dum Airport. Connects Kolkata with Southeast Asia and all parts of the world. It is 20 km away from city. By train, Kolkata railway station is situated in Kolkata. There are 4 major railway stations in Kolkata. They are Howrah Junction, Sialda, then Shalimar and Santragachi Junction. Kolkata is well connected by rail to almost all the big stations in India and also 7 the serves as the gateway to northeastern India. Kolkata station is situated in the Chitapur locality in north Kolkata. By car, there are many cabs on the road which you can hire and also call taxis available. By bus, there are numerous bus options between Kolkata and Bangladesh and many bus stands, buses to all parts of Kolkata and other cities. By boat, there are several points popularly called ghats and jetties on the bank of the river Hooghly, from where you can board several regular routes of the ferry services. By metro railway, Kolkata was the first underground rail in India which will connect Howrah and Kolkata under a tunnel in Ganges River. It is the single route connecting the north and south of the city from Dum Dum to Garia by tram. Kolkata Trams Ways is the only tram service in all of India and the oldest surviving electric tram network of Asia. They slowly move along the rails in the main roads. By auto rickshaw, shared auto rickshaws are available from different points. They carry 4 passengers. A cycle rickshaw, man-pulled rickshaws house is the major form of transport. There are many places to visit in around and Kolkata. The famous places to visit in Kolkata are the new market is at Lindsay Street. It is built by British in 1874. Bargain you can bargain there. You can get buy anything under the sun. There are 2,000 stalls. You will get the tea and snacks also there. Victoria Memorial Hall is the great big white marble building that stands in the heart of the city. The Viceroy of India George Curzon built the commemorate Queen Victoria between the years of 1906 and 1921. It was been transformed into a beautiful museum that houses remarkable visitors from all over the world visit. The architectural wonder is built in Indo-Sarkanic revivalist style with a blend of British architecture and methods borrowed from various parts of the world such as Egyptian, Mughal, Venetian, Islamic and Deccani. The memorial open from 10 am to 5 pm. The entry fee is 20. Tourist must visit the Memorial Hall, Victoria Memorial Hall. Howrah Bridge is the fourth busiest chandelier bridge in the world. The celebrated landmark built upon river Hooghly acts as a gateway of Kolkata and connects the eastern bank of the Howrah and the western bank of Kolkata. It was initiated in 1939 and the bridge was renamed as Rabindranath Tagore in the 1965 as Park Street is the street that Dakshineshwar Kali temple is the temple of the goddess Bhavatarani, a manifestation of goddess Kali. It was constructed by Rani Rashmoni in 1855. Belur Mad is on the western bank of the Hooghly River. The historic Belur Mad welcomes peace seekers from all over the world. It is the headquarters of Ramakrishna Mission. Mother Teresa's house receives hundreds of visitors from all over the world. We can see Mother Teresa tomb here. It is situated at ACG Bose Road. It is 4-star building. Missionaries of Charity governs it now. Shantiniketan, the abode of learning. Shantiniketan was brought into light by Rabindranath Tagore, one of the poets of India. It is located near Boilpur in Birbhum district, about 163 km away from Kolkata. Kolkata Botanical Garden is one of the oldest gardens in India. It was founded by East India Company in 1787. It is located on the west bank of the Hooghly River, about 8 km away from main city. The garden covers an area of about 273 acres, which has approximately 12,000 flora species from all over the world. The Howrah Bridge spans the Hooghly River linking Howrah to Kolkata. It is said to be the busiest bridge in the world. To no photos allowed. Science City is a perfect blend of education with fun. It is largest science museum in the world. The Indian Museum in the ninth oldest museum of the world and largest in India. It is located in Kolkata, founded in the year 1814. It is a center of multidisciplinary activities ever since. We can see finest collection of contemporary paintings, sacred places, relics of Buddha, Egyptian mummies and ancient sculptures. We can see 4,000-year Egyptian mummy pictures here. Eden Garden is a beautiful, well-maintained cricket stadium located in Kolkata. BBD Bagh area near Secretariat and Calcutta High Court. Street stretched over 50 acres. The cricket stadium has the capacity to seat about 66,349 people and is the second largest stadium in the world. Fort William is one on the banks of the river Hooghly. The magnificent structure is spread over 70 acres and is embellished with hundreds of arched windows that overlook lush green gardens. Birla Planetarium is the largest planetarium in Asia and the second largest planetarium in the world. Birla Mandir is the popular Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Krishna and Radha. Kalighat Temple, one of the 51 Shakti cells of India. It is one of the most visited Kali temples in India. Chaurangi, also officially known as Jawaharlal Nehru Road, is a shopping hub and frequently visited by locals for recreational activities and shopping. Maidan, also known as the Brigade Parade Ground, Maidan is the largest